Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate the auto light on your Casio G Shock watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this type of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So guys, if you own a Casio G Shock, you know that if you use the button on the top right side, you will activate the light. Just like this. So if we press and hold this button, you will see that the square right here, so a screen, will disappear. So I'm going to press and hold, and right here on the right side, you can see that the screen disappeared. And now the auto light is activated. So when I flip the watch just like this, it will automatically turn on the light. So every time that I tilt the watch towards me, it will actually activate the light. This is very useful in case you are in a dark place or you are at night, and you can actually use this function every time you want to look at the watch. So in order to preserve the watch battery, this function will automatically be deactivated in 6 hours. Or if you want to deactivate it yourself, you need to do the same thing again. So press and hold, and you can see that the screen went black once again. And that is how you activate and deactivate the light function, so the auto light function on your Casio G Shock. Now, if you want to watch other tutorials on how to set the time, date, how to replace the watch battery, how to reset the watch hands, and many more on your Casio G Shock, make sure to watch those videos on our YouTube channel. And also, if you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.